We continue learning Kitzur Yomi as we're in the middle of learning the halachas of Chanukah on Chanukah. We pick it up from Sif Hey, says the Kitzur Malik Bener Shel Chares. So one lights with an earthenware lamp, once he lights for one night, Nase Yashon, it becomes an old lamp. And he cannot use it a second time. Why? Very important. Mishum dimis, because it is ma'os, it is disgusting. Valkain, and therefore, you want to have a nice menorah of metal. Says the Kitzur, if you could afford it, hidr mitzvah. You want to buy a silver menorah as a hidr mitzvah. Mehadrin. The first night we light one candle. Even we had on. On the 8th night, we light 8 candles. You want to have every person have their own place for the candles. Why? If it's all jumbled together, you can't necessarily tell how many niros there are. Don't light in the same place you light all year long. You want it to be clear that you're lighting for the mitzvah of Chanukah. Mitzvahs ner Chanukah ziv zayin lahalik bepesach hasamal l'rishus harabim. The Shmitz mitzvah is you light at the doorway to the Rishus harabim shab bersu nisa. Kacha Yoisin says the Kitzur. B'zana Mishnah v'Gemara. B'zman hazeh, but nowadays shanu darim beinu umas that we live amongst the goyim malik b'vayishu darabai. We light in the house. And Yish Chaloin, so says the Kitzur. But if Yish Chaloin, there's Rav, you have a window, then Avada, Yadlik and Sham light there. Vimla, Madlik, Itzla, Pesach, light by the doorway. When Mr. Yenim Pesach, if it's small, you want to put it on the left side. Shadei Mezuzim Yamin, you want the mezuzah on the right. V'ner Chanukah mismol, v'nimsa, and it comes out. Shumesuvav b'mitzvahis. You're surrounded by mitzvah. It's best to put in the doorway itself, not before, not after, but in the thickness of the doorway if possible. One at least 3 tefachim above the ground, but below 10 tefachim. So you want to be between 3 and 10. If it's above 10, of course, why? We know this from Sukkah as well. Your eye cannot see. But if you live in an upper story of an apartment building, you can put in a window. But if it's above 20 amos of Rishus Harabim, the eye cannot see. It's better to put it by the doorway than to put it above 20 amos. And let's just remind ourselves, the Kitzur is talking about the halachas of us in Chutz La'aretz, in Eretz Yisrael. It's not necessarily so simple. Sif Tas and Eretz Yivishur Achas V'Shav, you want it to be one equal row. Not one high, not one low. You have a bevsek b'ner l'ner. You want to have a space between each candle. You don't want the flame so close. And it can become like a torch. When you have wax candles, you want it to have a space. Doesn't get heated one from another. You don't want them just to drip into one big mush of wax. If you fill a dish with oil and you put wicks around it, if you put another kli on top of it, therefore it sticks out. Each wick is its own ner, like kavlav kli. Then it's not even one candle. Why? Because you just get all the wicks together. It's a torch. If you have more than 2 wicks or more, 2 people cannot lay from the same wick. And you cannot tell how many candles you are lit. What is the time of lighting? Right. Excuse me, right away at Titzchavim. Do not light later. And this is a very important halacha, which if one is lighting later, whenever you are lighting, not do anything before you light. Not even learn Torah. That's the only thing you Koydem shialik kavs ko b'nei meso, get your whole house together. Versumi nisav. Tzarich lasi sham. You don't have enough oil. Shialik l'chol b'chus chatzi shah. Collect at least a half hour of the evidence. Lo yedlik miyad. If it did not light right away, right away, Yachal lahadlik bebracha kolzman shebnei beis v'nurin, as long as there is someone awake. Aval achar shebnei yisrael yishenim, after everyone is sleeping. Suleka persuming hisa yalik lo bracha. Im lo yepanai lahadlik b'leila. If we'll not have time to light at night, yachal lahaktim is atzma lahadlik. You let it light earlier. From when? Miblaga mincha lemala. So early is going to be blaga mincha until the end of the night. The end when there are people up. Check your local calendar. It's a short day, don't forget. Or if it's only 10 hours, 1 hour and 2.5 minutes. But if you're going to light early from Blaga Mincha, you have to have enough oil that it's going to last all the way. Very strong words, but you have to have the menorah lit for a half hour of the Zman. Sif Yud Aleph Sedel Kosek V'Minagenu. What is the way that we light, says the Kitzur. The rightmost ner. You add on one to the left. You keep on adding to the left. Then when you light from the left, and you move to the right, you put them in from the right to the left. You light from the left to the right. I'll pick it up from here. B'siyata d'ishmaya.